Hello, Asif.
Hi, Mr. Lewis.
So, how are you today?
Today I'm perfectly fine. And you?
I'm also doing good.
Okay.
So, how have you come today?
Today I have come by mini metro. And you?
I have come by my uncle's bike.
Okay. And usually, how do you come here?
And usually, I use public transport. And
Oh,
what do you use usually?
usually I come here by the mini metro.
Okay, mini metro.
Yeah.
So, why do you not use bus?
Actually, there is no any public transport.
Okay. So, have you ever tried to solve that problem? Like in your route, have you ever tried to start to say anyone, any owner in that palace, like who is the leader of your village,
Okay.
just start some buses on our route also.
Actually, we said so many times to our Gram Pradhan
Okay.
village, who is the now leader of our
Okay.
village. I said so many times, but they are not care about the those things.
Okay.
Yeah. So, have you taken your breakfast today?
Yeah, I've taken. What about yours?
Yeah. No, today I did not take my breakfast.
Why why so that, why have you not taken your break?
Actually, I hardly take breakfast. I do not take breakfast. I don't like to eat something in the morning. I usually come here without eating my breakfast.
Okay, and what is the reason behind that?
Uh, Actually, I don't like to eat anything in the morning. I like to come here without taking breakfast.
But
Then somewhere I feel very energetic. But when I take something in the morning, so somewhere I feel lazy. I don't know why so.
I think you are very different, as you are saying that without eating food, I feel energetic. But
Yeah.
it's a without eating food, how can you get energy?
Actually, I eat my dinner at late night, so that's why I could not eat anything in early morning. So,
At
and I have to come here in the 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So
okay,
that's why I could not take my breakfast. I could not. Yeah.
okay. At what time did you take your last dinner?
My dinner usually I take my dinner at 10 o'clock, sometimes 11 o'clock.
Okay, too late. But why do you take that much late your dinner?
Actually, it's become my habit. I don't know why, but I try to change my routine. I try to change my habit, but yeah, I'm trying it.
Does your mother tell you anything about your dinner routine?
No, my mother always support me. At what time do you want to take it?
I
It's no
think
problem. Whenever I ask to my mom, please give me food. So anytime doesn't matter. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, morning, evening. She always ready to give me the food. She
I
never denies. She never tell that yeah you are not. You should or follow the routine.
I think she will not tell you anytime. She will not tell you that thing. Yeah, I'm busy at that time. I feel tired because she is your mother. I
Yeah.
think you need to improve that thing.
Okay. Thank you. I'll improve. So how's going your life? How's going everything in your life?
Now it's going well. We are doing so many things at my house. We are going to rebuild it.
Okay. You are
Yeah,
constructing your house.
yeah. We are constructing it.
Okay. So you are helping to construct your new house.
Yeah, I'm helping my domestic work. What
Okay.
about yours? What are
Yeah.
you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I'm learning same thing like I'm learning spoken English at Boston campus, and I'm learning. Nowadays I'm getting a little bit information about share market.
Share market.
Yeah, I'm taking some online lectures. I'm taking online classes. I want to know that how it's work and
Okay.
yes.
So have you find any root of that thing?
Yeah, I found and I have learned so many things. Yesterday, at the night, I learned option trading.
Option trading.
Yeah, how it's work, how can we invest our money, and what's the kind
Okay.
of how many the types of trading,
Okay.
and yeah.
So when did you know that? When did you knew that? Yeah, I have interest in trending, trading. Sorry.
Trading.
Yeah.
Actually, recently I I find out the interest in that because there is my cousin who's doing trading, who invests their money in the share market, and he get profit, not too much, little bit. So just because of that person, I inspired from that person. You can also do that if you learn that thing. Without knowledge, you cannot go for it. But if you have knowledge, if you know how it is work, so you can go for it, and you can uh,
Easily manage that.
yes.
So, but there is a lot of chance to lose our money in a share
I
market.
said I said that without knowledge is everywhere is a chance of losing anything like time, money, everything. But if you
Hmm.
have knowledge, if you know how it is work, so somewhere, yeah, risk is everywhere. Without
Yeah,
risk is you cannot do nothing. But if you
yeah,
have
yeah.
knowledge, if you know how it is work, if you know how to manage the fund, how to manage the risk management, so you can do it.
Okay.
Everyone is afraid of those things. If you go for the share market, if you go for the trading, so we definitely lose our money. But yeah, you can lose there, but without knowledge definitely you will lose. But think is that how many times you get profit and how many times you lose your money. If you're losing your money twice and you are getting profit 6 to 5 times, so it's better.
Yeah,
Definitely you
it
will
has
lose.
better for person.
Yes.
First, he should gain knowledge about that. So, what do you think? There's, I think, two, three categories of marketing.
Ma- Yeah,
Yeah.
there's a two, three type of the trading. First is a swing trading, second one is a option trading, and third one is a intraday trading. And in that there is also thing that is a investment. This is the long term things.
Okay. In investment.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. Like a Muthoot finance investment. Yeah.
it's
Fund investment.
there is a different of sector where you can invest your money. There is a mutual fund, there is a banking sector, there are so many of the different sector where you can invest your money.
Okay. I also have a little bit interest in a trading. So
Okay,
I am also thinking for that. So
okay,
I have one app. I was just checking something in that, like
okay. Which one?
Grow. It's a very famous app.
Grow.
Grow, yeah.
Yeah,
It's a Grow, I
grow.
think. Yeah. It's a very trending app in for trading.
Yes.
So I was just tagging that, and
Okay.
there's a my cousin family. There's a one person who is also using that.
Okay.
He's still using that, and he's earning small amount, like a pocket money amount with that.
Okay.
And there's a one option for a funding. That guy, when you if you will invest 5,000
Okay.
within a year, like if you are investing 1,000 per month within a year, it will be I think 10,000, and you are investing for you have taken offer for a 5 year.
Okay.
So within a 5 year you will get a one more than 1 lakh,
Okay.
and you will invest only 50,000. So what is this, and what is the step in that? Have you
Okay.
ever heard about that?
Yeah, if you are talking about the investing money, like if you invest your money in any sector, so they give you interest.
Okay.
By that interest you can you can increase your money. And if you are talking about the grow, actually I did not use that app. And if you want to know how the stock market works, how the trading, so firstly there are 2 to 3 apps like upstocks, grow, angel one, three
Yeah,
apps.
yeah, yeah.
So firstly, if you want to do trading, firstly you have to open your demat account. Firstly you should have a bank account,
Yeah.
and then you can open your demat account, and then you can add funds in that, and then you can do it. Actually,
Okay.
I'm using Upstocks, and
Okay.
I purchased some stocks. Actually, I forget the name of the company which I stocks I purchased, but I last month I purchased 40 shares. When I was purchased that one, that was price was 2 rupees. That was a penny share, and now its price is 10 rupees. So it has increased too much. I gained profit 500. It's a long term, and I am not going to sell it.
Okay.
I sell it when I will be think that yeah, it's give me some profit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to know that.
Yes.
So instead of trading, in which business do you have interest?
Instead of trading,
Yeah.
I have a interested of the I have interest of the digital marketing also, affiliate marketing also. And
Okay.
yeah, which business is working online. I like those business, and I'm thinking also to get skill in computer sector. Like if we have a skill about the programming and web
Okay.
developing and anything, so somewhere we can if we could not get job by the any chance, so we can earn money through that things. Like if you have
Okay.
any skills,
Yeah, yeah.
so many of the companies, so many of the corporate center, they provide you work from home job through your mobile, through your
Mhm.
desktop. You can earn some monies.
Yeah. So let's talk about some habitual things. Like what is your habit?
What's my habit? Actually, I become very frankly very easily. Like if I meet the someone else, so I become very frank with them, that person. But after that, I come to know that yeah, I should have not become as much frank with that person. This is my also habit. And second one is I absorb thinking. Like
Yeah,
if I
yeah.
go there, so I absorb what that person is doing. What can be the response? What can be the reason? That's why that person, like if there is any
Okay.
beggar, there is any oldest person who is working, so I observe why that person is
Doing
doing,
that
what's
work.
the
Yeah.
concept behind it, why there are only so many person. So I absorb thinking.
Okay,
This is
nice.
also.
Okay, it was nice meeting you.
Thank you,
See
thank
you
you very
next
much,
time.
sir. Yeah, thank you.